Hello there, I didn't see you come in. My name is Alex Doe, and I'm the Artistic Director of Theatre by the Bay. I'm here today to take you on a magical mystery tour of what Tourism Barrie did in 2017. Why? Well, Tourism Barrie has been an incredible advocate for the arts in Barrie, increasing audience sizes and tourism dollars for the arts. Now, without further ado about nothing, it's a little Shakespeare reference for you, let's look at what Tourism Barrie did in 2017 and how we did it.
Hey, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. 2017 was a very good year. 475,500 people came to town and drank our beer. They ate our food and they slept in our beds. They saw stuff, did stuff, and bought stuff. How did they find us? Did they look under a rock? Heck no, dang right, it's a yakety yak talk. Tourism Barrie went to market with a basket full of stories. Basket full of stories. Websites, social, and print told them all of our glories. All of our glories. Here come the numbers, so ready to be impressed, and I'll be back later with all the rest.
You love websites? Everybody loves websites. Now I think you're going to find this fascinating. Simply mind-blowing. Total website visits and page views. Now let's break that down. Website visits, page views for tourismbarrie.com. Website visits, page views, exploreLakeSimcoe.ca. Website visits, page views, winterfun.ca.
So Snow Valley and Tourism Barrie have been great partners over the years. It's been wonderful. In fact, years ago it started with Ski Barrie and has morphed into Winter Fun. And believe it or not, this past season we had almost 45,000 viewings off the site and 1,500 coupons redeemed from that program. It's great. And not only that, Tourism Barrie has promoted many other things with us over the years and helped the area bring the tourism component out of the GTA and all those wonderful people into the Barrie area. So we're very proud to be a partner with Tourism Barrie here at Snow Valley.
Here's what I know as an internet star. Social media carries really far. As Barrie's own worldwide famous photo bomb girl, my mug made it all around the frickin' world. You don't remember me? Let me shake your memory. Here's what I know as an internet sensation. Tourism Barrie sang the praises of this destination. 2017 TV slammed it with social media posts on 5 social platforms to make the most of connecting people to business and fun and where to chill when the activity's done.
Now, I know you all like numbers. Numbers, good. Tourism Barrie posted over 3,000 times on social media. Barrie story after Barrie story, video after video, photo after photo. Here are the top viewed videos on Facebook for 2017. Now, none of them star me, not sure why.
Hey guys, it's the Tourism Barrie Adventure Team here, and today we're checking out the Splash On Water Park. We're super excited to check this one out today.
It's located in Centennial Beach, so it is a great addition to the downtown core. Come get out and play with us.
Let's go. Yeah, this is gonna be the place to be for the summer, guys. I suggest you get out and play.
Okay, 2017 statistics. Facebook is up year over year. Instagram is up, up, up. Twitter is gaining momentum. And videos. 14 new videos with almost 11,000 views on Tourism Barrie's YouTube channel. That's up 29% year over year. Pinterest had over 2,500 pins. And I have no idea what that means.
Tourism Barrie does a great job helping to support our community. Also to encourage tourists to shop within Barrie.
They do a fantastic job with their social media platform. They're the first to like our photos, to share our photos. They also attend our events. They reach out to us as well for their community guides and pick the best one that suits our business.
Pinterest got your interest? Plus Facebook, Instagram, the Tube, and Twitter. Tourism Barrie is an interweb heavy hitter. A heavy hitter. 7 social media posts a day, telling great stories from around the bay, with millions and millions of 2017 impressions, saying Barrie is the place for fun and decompression.
How do visitors plan for that fun? Imagine a millennial couple sitting in a park, Minsk, looking at explorelakesimcoe.ca. A retired couple in Dubai scrolling through winterfun.ca. Cyclists in Toronto planning a GO train trip on barriebybike.ca. Think about that. From anywhere, at any time, from tourismbarrie.com, somebody can be watching us and seeing what we do here in Barrie. That actually kind of makes me regret mowing the lawn in my bathrobe. Sorry, that was weird.
I've been in the Barrie hotel business for the past 15 years. Tourism Barrie is a great destination marketing organization that really creates and promotes packages such as winter fun. And we've really seen a boost in our occupancy when these packages are running. Their website and their social media and their print material is an excellent source of information for travelers looking to come to Barrie.
Like on any trail you've never been, you want a good guide to set the scene. But who creates and writes these editions? Here are these design and print magicians. Tourism Barrie peeps generate all this print, with Nat Karen photos as the blueprint. 6 promo guides covering all the bases. Give the 411 on all the cool little places. Tear off maps to all the attractions, leading tourists to all the local action. TV gets them into tourists' little hands by spreading them throughout the land.
This is a Tourism Barrie map. Just another piece of the marketing puzzle.
The ice has finally gone out, and in just about a month from now, Anne and I, along with our summer students, hope to have this beach rocking with happy paddlers. As many of you know, as a small business owner, market access is the key to your success. Knowing which door to put that key in can make all the difference. When Anne and I started Happy Paddling, we tried several different strategies, which always included Barrie tourism. It quickly became apparent through our website analytics and through our word-of-mouth customer comments that the most bang from our buck in advertising came from Tourism Barrie. We're now vested in Tourism Barrie to the extent of 90% of our annual budget goes to Tourism Barrie. The success of that annual advertising strategy with Tourism Barrie is the direct result of the staff's commitment to an excellent customer service experience through the website, print media, walk-ins, and of course, the trade shows that they attend. Thank you to all the staff and the board of Tourism Barrie, and we look forward to another happy paddling season working with all of you. Happy paddling and see you on the water.
Barrie has lots of loyal fans, right here and throughout the land. 35,000 people get a bi-weekly update in their inbox, an email about what's new and what's great.
You've got mail.
It's a stay and play getaway cyber boom to fill up Barrie's beautiful hotel rooms. Going up.
The magic of theater is the intimacy. It's actors and an audience telling a story. It's raw, it's now. That's the other side of what Tourism Barrie does. It's face-to-face encounters with the public. It's hundreds of phone calls and trade shows. Tourism Barrie set up displays at 12 key trade shows this year. This is an opportunity for Tourism Barrie to speak to the public and tourism operators about what makes our city by the bay so wonderful.
Hold on, Alex, one more thing. How did all this affect those purse strings? Pesos, dineros, cucarins, and dollars. Did the budget burst with all those hollers? It started with the City of Barrie Service Grant Assessment. Tourism Barrie more than doubled it with grants and partnership investment. The ROI was like the cow over the moon. Tourism Barrie's 2017 strategy was a marketing boon. And I hope you have enjoyed tonight's recitation about how Tourism Barrie is telling the world about our beautiful destination. Bye, y'all.
There's more info in the handouts. But of course, when you take away all the stats and other odd info, the key takeaway here is that Tourism Barrie is putting the Barrie brand in front of millions of people. It's no easy feat. And it takes a team. It takes you, the partners who provide the authentic Barrie experience. None of this could happen without the great work that you do at Tourism Barrie. Have a great afternoon.